Okay, let's do it. Alright, let's punch a hole right here. See what we got for depth and all that good stuff. I got everything but the kitchen sink today. I've got, it's a warm day out today. Definitely don't need a shanty, but I've got the underwater camera and it just works better in the dark. Trying to see the screen. Let's get a nice little, maybe just one. Nice little spike on here. This is from Thunder Mist Lures. They got different sizes. This is like one of the small sizes. I forget the name of it. I'll try to put a link. But they're pretty cool little spoons, I guess. Okay, let's drop this bad boy down. Let's see if we got some fish in here. There we go. Oh yeah, we got some fish. Little perch. We've only been out here for about 5 minutes, if that. Got a perch. Nice. Little guy, but I will always take it. Always take it. There we go. There we go. Fish number 2. There'll be another perch, feels like. A little bit bigger than that first one, but a little meatier. We might set up some tip-ups in here. There you go, buddy. There we go. A little bit of chunk to him, still small guy though. Looking for bigger. Definitely got a school below us though. Oh, they got my spike. You can keep it, buddy. You deserve it. There we go. Well, they're getting a little bit bigger. Still not eater size, but about a 5-6 incher. What's going on, guys and gals? As you can see, I'm out here ice fishing. I've already caught a bunch of dink perch. We're trying to get some bluegill, some sunfish, pumpkin seed, whatever. So I'm going to change locations. I want to get set up. I want to get got the shanty in my sled here. It's a beautiful day. Really don't need a shanty, but I've got the underwater camera, and it's just easier to see the screen. I can't see the screen out here in the bright snowy daylight. So we're going to try another spot, see if we can't get into some gills. If we find them, then we're going to get set up, get the shanty up, get the cameras all set up. And if not, we're going to come back here and we'll jig for perch. I am going to set up some tip-ups today, probably 3, and see if we can't get a pike too. So stay tuned, we'll see what happens. Alright, guys and gals, I'm finally set up. I went and scouted an area over there and trying to find bluegill, but no luck. So we've got our tip-ups out. 1, 2, 3. And we've got our shanty all set up. Like I said before, don't need a shanty. It's beautiful out right now. It's probably 35 degrees. It just keeps it dark in there so I can see the screen for the underwater camera. So we've got perch below. I'm hoping we can get into some sunfish, but we'll at least get some perch and maybe a pike or smallmouth or something on the tip-up. So, okay, let's get to it. So we're gonna, that's what we've been catching the fish on. This is a little spoon. It's from Thunder Mist Lures. They're out of Canada, Ontario. Right across the lake. We're gonna drop this down, catch a couple fish, and then maybe try something different. Because I think it's just nothing but dinks down here. I'm not gonna be able to keep them off. It's just gonna be non-stop. Oh, he's a real dink. Yeah. Dink, dink, dink. I have to, like I said, put a bigger spoon on or something. Back down the hole. And as soon as this thing drops, they are on it. There we go. Oh my God. Can't keep them off. This guy's not super dinky, but again, there's no eater size. Probably a little 5-incher, 4-incher. Yeah, man. I want to get some. I might have to jig the big spoon. Try to draw something in. Maybe draw on a pike. I do that. Can't keep them off. They're all dinks though. There we go. Another one. I'm wondering if I can't bring in a pike jigging that big rattle trap. I don't know. I'm just talking right now. I don't know what I'm saying. Sometimes I do that. There we go. Another one, man. Like I said, they're all that same cookie cutter size. Okay. Okay, a little bit bigger lure. Put a couple spikes on. Again, trying to weed out the small guys. Got on this wire leader, which doesn't seem to be bothering them. There we go. Got one. It didn't take long, huh? It's a dink, but hit pretty quick. Oh, he swiped. That big boy swiped up that. There we go. Oh, lost him. Ooh. What am I doing? What am I doing that for? Why you do that? There we go. Okay, a little bit bigger. little bit bigger. I've tried jigging for a pike. I had a big old pike pass through right on the camera. Tried jigging for it, using a variety of stuff, but no luck. So throwing this tube back down, see if we can't get some bigger perch. I don't think there's any bigger perch in here though. The old dinks. Here they come. You see the tube. They're coming up to the tube. I don't think they give it a... Well, there we go. Didn't even get that one on camera. Oh, let's drop this bad boy down again. Hopefully we can get it down to where the camera is before a fish takes it. There we go. Okay. I'd like that pike to come in right now and cut my line out. There we go. Well, even the dinks are hitting this tube now. See? Look at that. Even the dinks are hitting the tube. Oh. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's cool, but I just wish we could get some bigger ones. They're just all right hanging here. Big school of perch. Nope, got him. Another one. Oh, he came off. There he is. Look at him. Boom. Alright, so I'm going to try these gulp maggots. I've tried them before. I haven't had any luck. But now that I've got the camera, I can at least see how they react to it. Again, just got on that little spoon. I mean, they're going to come in for the spoon anyhow, but maybe that little... And they're hitting it pretty good, man. There we go. Well, it worked. Okay. Like they've all been. Be cool to get a pike or something, man. Just saying. Drop this bad boy back down. Get one more. Maybe a couple more. I don't know. And he hit as soon as it landed. He hit. There we go. That's number 4 on this gulp maggot. Calm down. Not a big pike, but I just saw a pike pass by in the background and I have the camera going. So we're gonna drop this swim bait. See if we can't lure him back. There it is. Oh, that was a pike. Did you see they all scattered? Come on, buddy. Come back. Come back for this. Look at this nice, easy meal. I'm just going to drop this spoon without anything on it. I'm just curious to see if they're just hitting just about anything right now. spoons down there. Oh, that's a pike. There's another pike. Quick, get this down there. Get this down there. Quick, quick, quick. Get it down there. Where'd that pike go? Come on. Where'd that pike go? Come on. Okay, we are catching nothing but dink perch today, so I'm just going to continue to fish. Probably not going to record it. It gets redundant just seeing me catch dink perch over and over again. If anything special happens, then I'll turn the cameras on. Still got the tip-ups all set up. 3 of them. No hits on that. I've seen some pike on the camera that have come through and scared the perch, and I've tried jigging for them, but haven't had any luck, haven't got any hits. So yeah, we'll just continue to jig for perch, and again, if anything special happens, then I'll turn the cameras on. So okay, I'm dropping the old jig with the gulp power bait down again. Maggot. Does seem to work. As soon as you drop that down, dude, they're on it. They are on it. There we go. Some Berkeley power, baby. Berkeley power. Alright, we're going to go ahead and pack up. I'm going to pack up all the stuff inside the hooch here, inside the shanty, and put the shanty away. And then on our way back home, back to the launch, which we're not that far from it, but we're going to kind of walk or work the shoreline, see if we can't get some sunfish. So it's just non-stop action here with perch, and it's just getting redundant. So, and again, still nothing on the tip-ups. So we're going to pack all that stuff up to the tip-ups and everything. So. Alright, we're going to drop down, catch one more fish, and call it a day. There we go. Another dink perch, the last one for the day. So we spent about, I don't know, it's probably about 3 o'clock now. Probably been out here for about 6 hours. And it was just a non-stop perch fest. If I just focused on perch and not playing around with things, and I probably would have caught 100 of these guys, if not more. Basically every time you dropped down into the hole, you were catching one. Tried for pike on the tip-ups. I had 3 tip-ups set up. No hits. Tried bouncing around to a couple different spots, looking for bluegill, pumpkin seed, some sunfish. No luck. But that's okay. Still a fun day. It's always good to get a tug on the end of the line. So, but this is probably going to be my last ice fishing trip. The ice is starting to rot pretty bad. We've got warm temps. It's middle of March, St. Patrick's Day tomorrow. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm gonna go out and have a couple toddies. But yeah, it is what it is. My ice fishing season was cut short with my car. I don't know if I told anybody, or most of you don't know. I got into a vehicle accident. I hit a buck back in November, and just waiting on parts and everything, I just got it back mid-February, so that kind of put a damper on my ice fishing season, but we'll get after them next year. Hopefully we'll have better ice next year and I won't get into any accidents and not have my car. So, but as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.